Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. There's times when you want to clamp an extension cord or a power strip board cord to the workbench. I've made many of these quite often, and I like to keep a small supply on hand. I realize you can buy, probably 25 of them for about $10. But sometimes you're working on something and you just don't want to run to the hardware store, or you don't want to order it because it'll take forever to get to you. You want it now. So let's take a look at this. What I made is just a little metal bender. If you have a bender of some sorts, of course you wouldn't need this, and you can make it however you want. I'm eventually going to put two other ones on here for different sizes. Basically, it's a steel pin welded or force fitted into a piece of steel. Here's a scrap cutout. You've got a little block here with a cap screw, and you simply clamp your strip in there. You bend it around like so. And you have a pin located right there where you can bend it back, pull the pin out, unscrew the cap screw, and there you have a nice little wire clamp. You can drill a hole in it like I have with this one, and you quickly have a line clamp for your extension cord. That's all. Hope you found that useful. Bye.